Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add links to your YouTube channel. Whether you want to direct your viewers to your social media profiles, website, or other important destinations, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. So the first step is to open YouTube and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner of the page. So click on it. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. So click on YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, look for customization in the left panel and click on it. So click on customization. In channel customization page, click on basic info tab. So this is the basic info tab. Now scroll down and look for links section. So this is the links section. Share external links with your viewers. To add links to your YouTube channel, click on add link button. Enter the title and URL of the link. Once you are done, click on the publish button. Now to check if the link has been added or not, go to your YouTube channel main page. As you can see, this is the link we have just added. So that's how to add links to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more YouTube guides.